Hey there, how are you? I am Pavni. In this video, let's solve the second question of SQL 50 Leetcode series. This question is named Find Customer Referee, and within this we were given one table called customer, which has like 3 columns: ID of the customer, name of the customer, and if that customer is referred by someone, we will have the referee ID, and if the customer is referred by no one, we will have null in this particular column. And you can see the example here. ID is integer, name is varchar, and referee ID is also integer, but we can have null values where the customer is referred by no one in this third column. And we were asked to write a query to find the names of the customer who are particularly not referred by customer with ID equals to 2, and we can return the results in any order. So when we first see this, not referred by customer with ID equals to 2, we will obviously get this particular query in our mind. This is the first thing that comes to our mind. We can simply select name from customer and where referee ID is not equal to 2, but this doesn't actually work. So when I execute this, we will get wrong answer. So our output is Jack and expected output is Will, Jane, Bill, and Jack. Why this happened? So when I give referee ID is not equal to null to my SQL, it will only compare the columns rows. Sorry, it will only compare the rows where this particular referee ID column values are present, and it will ignore all the null values. So we have only 3 rows, Alex, Jack, and Mark, where there is value. So Alex value equals to 2, which is equals to 2, so this condition will become false. We will remove Alex, and then Jack is not equal to 2, which is true, so we will include the Jack, and Mark equals to 2 again, so this condition is false. So we're only returning Jack, and we are ignoring all the rows that contains null value in referee ID. Why is this? So according to our business logic here, when we stored null in this customer table, we meant no one referred this customer, but how SQL treats null values is it is an ambiguous value. We don't know whether it is 1, we don't know whether it is 2, we don't know whether it is 3. So it is an unknown value for SQL. So our business logic and how SQL works is contradicting here. So the solution for this is we have to deal with this in our query itself. So we can deal with this situation by just adding or referee ID is null. So in this way we are just including all the rows where referee ID is just null, by which we know that customer was referred by no one, obviously didn't referred by customer ID 2, and then we are dealing with the values with referee ID not equals to 2 with this condition. So if I just run this will work. Yeah, it is accepted. I will just submit this so that we will know it is being accepted for all test cases. Yes, it does. So that's about this video.